Now, homeless shelter residents are seeking court action today to stay in the Lucerne Hotel. It's a shelter on the Upper West Side. They're asking for an emergency hearing to stop the city from moving them again. CBS 2's John Diaz with more.
We not pawns, man. We people.
David Cruz has lived at the Lucerne Hotel for 2.5 months, but already feels more at home now than ever before, though he may soon be forced to move for a 4th time during the pandemic.
Pack up, don't pack up. Pack up, don't pack up. Come on, man, make up your mind.
Mayor Bill de Blasio ordered more than 230 homeless men living at the Upper West Side Hotel to be transferred to a shelter at the Radisson in the financial district after many Upper West Siders complained about safety issues and hired an attorney.
We're very confident in our legal position, and having what will be ultimately a long-term shelter in the Wall Street area, an area that hasn't had one, is a good thing.
Some say they'll get better help downtown.
My heart goes out to them, but I think that this current move has been better thought out than some of the more previous ones.
But residents in Lower Manhattan filed their own temporary restraining order to stop the city from moving the men there, even though a judge denied that request. These men say they already feel unwelcome in their potential new home.
The fact that we're going to a place where there's another group that is saying that they don't want us there before we even got there, that's traumatizing in and of itself.
Today, the men were scheduled to board buses bound for the new shelter, but instead a protest was held in their favor, while a court case today could decide their fate.
They must not be shipped around like cattle on the whims of the richest people in the city.
Some concerned about the 50 men who already got jobs in the area and the others in recovery for substance abuse.
For people who are in recovery, stability is paramount. It may result in relapses, it may result in overdose deaths.
Many neighbors supporting them.
The Upper West Side is for everyone. It's not only for wealthy residents.
There's no danger or anything. This is just crazy that they don't want these people here.
And many local leaders saying that instead of just continuing to shuffle these men around, the city should be talking more about permanent housing.
It is more expensive to have our men and women in these shelters than it is to provide permanent housing.
Sources tell us the city will hold off on moving them until after a judge hears the residents' request to stay. From the Upper West Side, John Diaz, CBS 2 News.